Hello, friends! Welcome to my channel, Kazmi Vlogs. Today, I'll introduce you to a groundbreaking app in the world of cryptocurrency that promises substantial benefits. Developed by engineers from Vietnam, the QTXAi app is poised to make a significant impact in the future. To get started, simply download the app from the Play Store using the link provided in the description. Register with your Gmail account and be sure to add my referral code, available in the video description. Following that, you just need to follow a few simple steps. No investment is required. Click the mining button every 24 hours and you'll earn currency points. The KYC process for this currency will open soon, and it's expected to be listed on a reputable crypto exchange shortly. Currently valued at 1 QAI, $105 USD, imagine the potential profits in the future. Hurry and download the app now to get started on this exciting opportunity. Subscribe to the channel and share the video, my friends. After this, the video breaks down the process into simple steps, explaining each one visually. You'll also find screenshots towards the end to make things even clearer. Just watch the video, follow along with the steps, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching and being a part of the channel.